Days 4 to 7 of backflipping every day until I can do this X-flip. Coming into day 4, my lower back was feeling very tender. I also did something to the tendon in my forearm, so I decided to have a few days off the gym to let it recover to ensure that I can continue this challenge. Day 4, my confidence was much better. I sent it with no hesitation every time. However, I wasn't quite as explosive because the challenge was now starting to catch up on me. I came into day 5 really not being bothered at all. The ground was absolutely mashed. It was getting dark outside, but I still haven't done my backflips yet. Freezing cold, it's been pouring with rain all day. My back hurts. I can't be arsed, but I said I was going to get this challenge in, so we're going to get it, okay? It took me a little bit longer to get my first one because I was scouting out areas where I could take off and land properly. My back was feeling a little bit better and I wanted to do more, but unfortunately the sun went down very quickly and I could not see a thing. Slowly, my aim was to add a bit more of a touch, rather than the whip that I was previously doing. On day 6, I decided to have one more day off the gym because I was feeling a little bit worse for wear. However, I was banned from doing backflips in my garden because due to the weather, it was churning up the mud. I cycled down to my local park and I did a few there. Again, after the first one, the impact was very hard and all the pressure shot right up to my head and lower back. I stopped after a few just to make sure I did some, and my form was looking much cleaner because I was actually tucking rather than whipping. Finally, day 4, I was back in the gym for a leg session. I wanted to ideally start with at least 20 to 30 minutes of backflipping beforehand, so I still had the mat out to ensure that I absorb a little bit of the pressure. I did my first one and my lower back was feeling terrible. It was really now starting to take its toll. It's very frustrating because I wanted to be doing more and I had lots of energy from taking a few days off the gym. But when stuff like this happens, it's not a good idea to push it. So I'm hoping as I get more comfortable with the movement, I'll have a slightly lighter landing and less pressure will go into those awkward areas. Anyway, stay tuned for the next few days because it's going to get interesting, I think. I don't know, is it? I'll let you be the judge.